Hey, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, we'll be diving deep into the world of Amazon FBA, or also known as Fulfillment by Amazon. Amazon FBA is a powerful tool for businesses and individuals who want to sell their products on Amazon's marketplace, but don't want to deal with the hassle of handling shipping, customer service, and returns themselves. To get started with Amazon FBA, you'll need to create a seller's account on Amazon. Once you've done that, you'll be able to list your products on Amazon's marketplace and choose to use FBA for fulfillment. It's important to note that you'll be charged a fee for each item you store in Amazon's fulfillment centers, as well as for each item that's sold and shipped through FBA. These fees include a storage fee, a pick and pack fee, and a weight-based shipping fee. When you use Amazon FBA, you'll need to send your products to one of Amazon's fulfillment centers. This is where your products will be stored until they're sold. To ensure that your products are stored and shipped properly, you'll need to follow Amazon's requirements for labeling, packaging, and preparation. When a customer orders one of your products, Amazon will pick it from their warehouse and pack it and ship it directly to the customer. Amazon will also handle all customer service inquiries and returns on your behalf. This means that you can focus on other aspects of your business, such as product development and marketing, while Amazon takes care of the fulfillment side of things. One of the key benefits of using Amazon FBA is the increased visibility and credibility that comes with having your products fulfilled by Amazon. When customers see that your products are fulfilled by Amazon, they're more likely to trust your brand and make a purchase. Your products will be eligible for Amazon Prime, which means they'll be shipped to customers for free in just 2 days. This can result in increased sales and a better customer experience for your buyers. Another advantage of Amazon FBA is the ability to manage your inventory using Amazon's tools and services. For example, you can use Amazon's multi-channel fulfillment services to fulfill orders from other sales channels such as your own website, eBay, or other marketplaces, just using your Amazon FBA inventory. You can also use Amazon's inventory dashboard to monitor your inventory levels, adjust your storage settings, and so much more. Finally, it's important to note that Amazon FBA offers exceptional customer service and return management. Amazon's customer service team is available 24/7 to answer customer inquiries and resolve any issues that may arise. Additionally, Amazon will handle all returns on your behalf, including processing returns and issuing refunds. This can result in a better customer experience and fewer customer complaints for you. And there you have it, a quick look at Amazon FBA. Whether you're just starting out or looking to grow your business, Amazon FBA can be a valuable tool to help you succeed on Amazon's marketplace. And thank you for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos like this one.